Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to hide your following list on Instagram without a private account. So let's head over to our Instagram application. So it's pretty easy to do, like as we know, if we make our account private, then people won't see our followers or following list. But other than this, there is another way that you can follow. That is, you have to go to your DM section, or you can go to your followers section. And once you're there, from here, you have to tap on any person. Like I'm just choosing this one. And once you are in their profile, tap on the three dots icon on the top right. And in here, you will find the option of restrict. So just tap on restrict. And once this account is restricted, they won't be able to just see your followers list. So in this way, you have to just restrict each and every person on your account. So yeah, this is the way other than making private accounts so that you can hide your following list. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next one.